Welcome to ExactFlow's Product Module, your all-in-one hub to manage, edit, and organize every product in your e-commerce business. From individual items to bulk updates, this is where efficiency meets control. Let's dive in. Start by clicking Products in the left sidebar, then select Product List. You're now on the main product management page, ready to take charge. At the top, you'll see 3 tabs: Products for your complete product list, Bundles for items sold together, and Operations for product-related actions. Next, choose your inventory, stock location, and price group. This ensures you're always viewing the correct stock levels and pricing for each marketplace. Use the filter panel to quickly find what you need. Search by product ID, name, SKU, ASIN, category, tags, and more. You can also filter by quantity, price, weight, dimensions, or star rating. Save filters for later, clear them instantly, and apply them with a single click. Your products appear in a dynamic table showing all key details: name, SKU, price, quantity, source, status, and creation date. Click Edit to update a product, or use the 3-dot menu to download, duplicate, delete, or promote it. You can also star important products with priority colors to keep workflows organized. Need to work in bulk? Select multiple products and click Download to export CSV or PDF files. Or use Operations to apply bulk updates, schedule changes, use templates, and let everything run in the background. To add a new item, click Add Product. Fill in product details like name, category, SKU, barcodes, and dimensions. Set prices, stock levels, and thresholds. Add descriptions and parameters, upload images, and create variants if needed. When you're ready, click Create Product, and your item goes live. With automatic actions, you can automate your workflow. Choose an event, set conditions, and define actions like updating stock, changing prices, or sending notifications. Enable the rule, save it, and ExactFlow handles everything in the background. You can also import products using CSV or XLSX files, or export your data with customizable templates. Track import status, fix errors, and download exactly what you need, fast and flexible. Finally, head to Settings to manage inventories, warehouses, price groups, categories, manufacturers, parameters, and tags. This is your control center for keeping product data accurate and organized. And that's the ExactFlow Product Module, your command center for effortless product management. Everything you need to scale your e-commerce business is right here. Let's get productive.